Pumpkin seed oil benefits for acne. Pumpkin seeds are great for treating acne and improving the skin tone because they contain zinc, selenium, essential fatty acids, and vitamin E. Zinc. Zinc protects the membranes of skin cells, maintains the connective collagen, and promotes skin renewal. When you have enough zinc, you are less prone to acne outbreaks, because zinc controls skin oil production and balances hormone levels. Both are known to be involved in acne outbreaks. Zinc also helps in skin healing and cleaning the spots. People report to have less acne problems when they consume more zinc. Selenium. Selenium gives your skin a powerful antioxidant protection and maintains its elasticity. Essential fatty acids. Essential fatty acids are required by our skin to retain its moisture levels. The lack of essential fatty acids makes the skin dry, less flexible, and look older. When you get enough of these acids, especially omega-3, your chances for acne outbreaks are greatly reduced. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a well-known antioxidant and has many benefits to our skin. It reduces the appearance of stretch marks, promotes wound healing, helps in treating psoriasis, eczema, and acne. All these beneficial nutrients are contained in pumpkin seeds, but there is a concentrated form of them found in pumpkin seed oil. Pumpkin seed oil reduces the chance of getting acne outbreaks and absorbs very fast. Your skin won't be feeling itchy or dry anymore. Of course, there is no oil that fits everyone. You will probably have to find your best oil for acne through trial and error. But if you don't know where to start, try pumpkin seed oil. It is a good moisturizer for severe acne-prone skin and has anti-aging properties. But make sure you get pure, organic, cold-pressed, and unrefined pumpkin seed oil, which has a dark rich green color. Only this way, you can get the most benefits for your skin out of it.